Hello, welcome to the vlog. I'll introduce you guys to a very, very dear person in my life. Drum roll, please.
Hi, I am Evelyn, Daniel's mom. I just went back to the Philippines on May 15th to visit my family, and especially my mother. She turns 84 years old this year, and I think she's got many more years to come. She looks very healthy without any medication at all.
Good for her. It has to be all that fish and ice, huh?
It has to be from the fish and all the seafoods. So, but it's nice to be back home to see all the kids, grandkids.
So here we go.
Here we go.
For 14 hours?
One way.
Wow.
We just arrived at Manila to go to immigration.
Mom took a trip back home to the Philippines last month. She was gone for a full month, back in May.
Yeah.
And I gave her my vlogger to film the whole adventure. How many siblings do you have, Mom?
There are 4 girls and one.
4 girls and 1 boy. Are you the oldest, the
I'm
youngest, the middle?
Yeah, the oldest. That's my
Here is-
younger brother. I think he's 46, 47.
And his name's Junior?
Junior,
Okay.
Militia Hernandez Jr.
I see. So he went to pick you up, and who's this?
This is Sarah, my mother's sister's oldest daughter. Okay, I'll talk to you later. So now we're crossing from Leyte to Samar. We're crossing the ocean.
To an island.
island.
So, and the only way is by.
Ferry boat.
Okay, this is Katmandu.
So there's meat and everything right there.
Everything in that market. Everything. You have fish, you have meat, you have rice, vegetables, anything and everything that you can think of.
This is straight out of the Travel Channel.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
Holy different rices.
Yeah, a different kind of a texture of a rice that you
I
can
like
buy.
that. That's awesome.
And their eggs over there,
Yeah.
you do not refrigerate eggs.
What?
US is the only country that refrigerates eggs.
Oh.
They do not refrigerate eggs.
I see they don't refrigerate anything.
Well, we're on our way to Bublaran, and this is our transportation, and that's your Uncle Junior. Hi, Sarah.
Hi.
This is your Aunt Lucy.
Kid.
This is your cousin also. This is your Aunt Norma's son.
That's Norma's boy.
Norma's boy. And Norma's your sister,
My
younger
sister.
sister.
My younger sister.
Okay.
Personally. That's my niece's Liz girl.
Okay, we're on our way. There now.
So how long did it take you to get from the meat market, or from the market there to your island?
It's about 45 minutes.
All right, what's the name of your island, Mom? Where's your family from?
It's Bublaran, Sumaraga, Samar, Philippines.
So that's your home island.
That's the home island, so where I'm building that house.
And yeah, that's what I was just gonna lead to. Mom is building her own house there.
The whole house is cement, everything.
And it's literally built on the beach up over the water.
Yeah. That's why your dad hated it. He said, ooh, how can you do that?
You've spent a lot of money doing this, huh? And it's still under
Yeah,
construction.
yeah.
And your brother Junior's building it?
He's building it. He's everything.
Boy.
Yeah.
And you'll see that in a lot of these clips. Well, my Uncle Junior is quite the handyman.
Yeah.
Dad said like they made the bricks and everything.
Yeah,
Like
they make everything. Everything is made manually. The whole house is concrete. That's the bedroom that we stayed and sleep.
So your family right now is living in the house as,
Yeah,
as it's being constructed.
Yeah.
1 bedroom. Is there water somewhere? That's the window from this extra bedroom.
So we're gonna break this down into a couple different episodes here because there's a good bit of footage. Mom was there for a month. What was your island called again?
It's Bublaran.
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 Bubla-
It's about Bublaran.
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 Boblaran. Well, there you have it. There's episode 1 of the Philippines May 2018 trip with my mom.
Dance vlog.
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 Ready? 1, 2, 3. Dance vlog. Vlog, Mom, not vlog.